Hello everyone, as you all know me, I'm your science teacher, Miss Rija, and today we will learn about food and the balanced diet. In this topic, we will learn living things need food to live. Food is taken in through the mouth. Animals, including humans, can eat plants and other animals, and food gives us energy. Well, we need balanced diet to keep healthy. Food is important. Food gives us energy to work and play. When you do anything, you use up energy. While you are sleeping, it seems as if you are doing nothing. However, your stomach is digesting food, your brain is working, your lungs are breathing, and your heart is beating. All of them need energy to work properly. All foods have different food values. Some foods helps you to grow. Some foods gives you energy and other foods build up the fats in your body to fight against the germs and prevent infections. If you eat only one kind of food, it cannot do all these jobs. So you need to eat a variety of food to get all the nutrients you need. When you eat all the proper food, we say you have a balanced diet. A balanced diet keeps you healthy. A balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet helps us to be fit and healthy. A balanced diet means eating right variety of food in your right amount. To eat a balanced diet, avoid junk food. Well, junk food is a food that has a low nutritional value. It is high in fat or sugar and low in fiber, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Junk food is usually high processed. Frizzy drinks and fast food are junk foods.